Hello KG2, how are you today? Hope you are fine. I'm Mrs. Alia, teacher of English for KG2. Let's start our lesson today. What is the name of your school? Future Pioneers Language School. How is the weather today, KG2? Is it windy? No. Is it rainy? No. Is it sunny? Yes, today is a sunny day. How many seasons are there in a year? There are 4 seasons in a year. What are they? Spring, summer, fall, and winter. We are in spring. We are in spring. What does happen in the spring? The flowers bloom. The flowers bloom. What is this sound? You hear this sound like me? Do you want to know what is this sound? This sound has a story. I'll tell you about it. Once upon a time, our gentleman was in the letters board and he heard this sound. What is this sound? Who's crying like that? Oh, this is our beautiful Q. What's wrong, our beautiful Q? Why are you crying like that? Our beautiful Q said, I lost my small slash and I cannot find it. Our gentleman said, don't worry, our beautiful Q. Do not cry anymore. I'll search and I can find it. Our gentleman searched here and there, under the tree and between the grass, and finally he found the small slash. He took it to our beautiful Q and gave it to her, and from this time our letter Q has best friend U. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. Listen to the song.
Letter Q has a best friend U. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. Next to each other is Q, and there's U. Q and U. Here are some words that begin with best friends Q and U. Q, U, quarter, quarter. Q, U, quack, quack. Q, U, queen, queen. Q, U, quiet, quiet. Letter Q has a best friend U. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. Next to each other is Q, and there's U. Q and U. Here are some words with Q and U together. Q, U. Aquarium, aquarium. Q, U. Squeak, squeak. Q, U. Squid, squid. Q, U. Kumquat, kumquat. Letter Q has a best friend U. Wherever Q goes, U goes too. Next to each other is Q, and there's U. Q and U, Q and U, Q and U, Q and U.
Okay. Best friends Q and U will give us the sound qua, qua, qua. Watch here?
Qua. 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 Qua.
What? What?
Okay. You know what this sound qua, qua? Does it remember you by something? It's like the sound of the duck. Qua, 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 qua. Open your hands like the duck's mouth. And we have in Jolly Phonics a song will tell us the sound qua again. لا لا أنا قلت غلط. Q and U are a diagram. And as we said before, a diagram is two letters beside each other will give us one sound. Qua, qua, qua,
Qua. 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 Qua.
What? 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 What?
qua, qua. Does it remember you by something? It's like the sound of the duck. Qua, qua. Open your hands like the duck's mouth. Qua, qua. And we have in Jolly Phonics a song will tell us about the qua sound again. Okay, the duck in the pond quacks, quack, 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 quack. The duck in the pond quack, 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 all around the pond. Okay. Quack. A. K. K is a digraph also. You remember, like I said before, K and K will give us the sound K. K. K and K equal K. Quack. A. K. Quack. 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 E. Double E will give us the sound E. Quack. E. N. Queen. Queen. Quack. E. E. L. Double L will give us the sound L. So quack. E. L. Quell. Quack. E. L. T. Quilt. Quilt. Quack. Quack. What is this sound? You remember it? As we said before, when two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. I will say the name for the first vowel only. The first vowel is I. So this is I. What? I. T. White. Open your booklet, page 55, and write queen and quilt. Queen, quilt. And in page 56, you will write also queen and quilt again, and you will do this question. Choose. Okay. Look at the first picture here. What is this? White. White. Is this white? Let's read it together. A. A. Tail. Is it the right word? No. What will I do? second word, eat. Eat. Two vowels. I will say the name for the first vowel. E. Eat. Is it the right word? No. Qua. I. T. Why? Is it the right word? Yes. Circle it. Do page 55 and 56 and send it to your teachers. But I want to tell you about a new words have qua sound. Okay. What can you see here? I can see here people are standing quietly. Quietly. Okay. Quietly. Quietly. Does it have qua sound? Quietly. Yes. Okay. What will I do? I put it in the qua rectangle. What can you see here? What is this? Do you know what it is? This is a square. Square. A square. A square has qua sound. Can you hear qua? Square. A square. Yes, it has. So, I put it in qua rectangle. Okay. What is this? What can you see here? Equal. Equal. Qua. Can you hear qua sound? Yes, I put it in qua rectangle. What is this? Squeak. Squeak. Can you hear qua sound? Yes, I can hear it. I'll put it in qua rectangle. Okay. What is this? Quack. Quack. Can you hear qua sound in the word quack? Quack. Yes, I can hear it. I put it in the qua rectangle. What is this? It's a goat. A goat. Does it have a qua sound? Yes. Yes? Is that right? No, it doesn't have qua sound. What is this? This is a queen. Qua queen. A queen. Does it have qua sound? Yes, it has. What is this? This is a robot. The robot has a qua sound? No, it doesn't have. I will not put it in the qua rectangle. So what I have today, I have white. Read it with me. Quilt. Queen. Quilt. So now, I have an amazing surprise for you. I have a game, but I'll ask you to bring a paper to play with me. I'm waiting you. Did you bring the paper? Okay, I'll tell you now. I have here numeric pictures, okay, and I have numbers here. Can you write with me number 9 in your paper? Write in your paper. 16 and 18, 28, 36, 15 and 14. Did you write it? Okay. I'll go and search in the pictures. Okay. The first number I have here, number 9. I'll search. Where is number 9? Is this number 9? No. This number 9? Did you find number 9? I found it. This is number 9. What is this? This is a tail. This is a tail. Okay. Let's write together. Tail. Here. A. What is this sound? A. Is this A? Is this A? Or this A? Which one is right? This is the right one. Tail. Tail. Ooh. Okay. The second one is number 16. Where is number 16? Can you find it? This number 16? No, this is 35. Is this number 16? Yes. What can you see here? This is a quilt. A quilt. How can I write quilt? Let's write it. Qua, qua, qua. You remember qua? What is the qua sound? Can you remember? Yes, the best friends. Q and U will give me the sound qua, qua, qua. Let's try it. Qua. Ooh. The third one is number 18. Search for number 18. Is this number 18? Yes, super. This is number 18. What can you see here? What is this? This is what? Can you remember? Look. 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 Look has long O or short O? Short O, super. So I will write L and double O, K, K. Super. Okay. The fourth one is number 28. Where is number 28? Which one? This 28? 30. Yes, this is 28. What can you see here? Quiet. Quiet. How can you write quiet? I would write the best friends. What? I. Which I? Is this I? Is this I? Which one is the right one? This is the right one. Why? Two vowels beside each other. I will say the name for the first vowel. I. 36. Where is number 36? Yes, this is the right one, 36. What can you see here? I can see a queen. A queen. Let's write queen. What? E. Is this the right E? I have magic E in the end to say E. Magic E? No. E. Double E beside each other will give me the sound E. Queen. Queen. Number 15. Where is number 15? Can you find it? Yes. This is number 15. What is this? Can you remember it? Seat. Seat. Okay. E. Is this E? Is it the right one? No. Is this E? Yes, this is the right one. C. Super. Number 14. What is number 14? Did you write or not? Write with me. Okay. What is number 14? This is 15. This is 15? No, this is 14. This is the right one. What can you see here? I can see children. They are playing. So the right word is play. Play. Let's write play. A. Is this A? No. Is this A? play. Super KG2, thank you very much.